Antonio.
Lamb. Filet mignon.
Filet mignon. Look at that filet mignon. This is co-chef of Antonio. And look, this is pasta with
Cappelletti.
Cappelletti. What's inside?
Ricotta cheese.
Ricotta cheese. This was made all by Chef Antonio. The homemade pasta dough. And then the ricotta with a special ingredient inside there that's top secret. And look at the way he makes it. All handmade. Incredible. Art. Eggs?
You cook for 65 degrees for 1 hour.
1 hour.
Be safe. And then you put on top this one. This potato cream.
Wow.
And on top truffle.
Truffle, that's what I'm smelling in here. That's what I smell, truffle. Oh, smells so good. We've got 21 people tonight and he's created this meal for us. He was chef for the Motor Grand Prix. So, and we got him tonight. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah?
Can we start eating?
Yes, we can start eating. Yeah, let's go. Hey, è ora mangia. A tavola. È ora mangia. Yeah, yamachin. Hey, you guys. Look, we're about to eat. And look at the view tonight of the castle. This is magical. Oh, look, the fresh bread. Thank you. Chef Antonio, what are you guys serving for?
Rosé wine.
Magical. The wine for tonight. Yes. But cheers. How old am I?
50.
Oh my God, I can't believe I'm 50. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Grazie. Salute, salute. Oh, here's my dad. 50 years old.
Buona salute a tutti e
Oh yeah, grazie Gennaro, grazie per mia vita. What do you call this? What do you call this?
This is crema parmentier con uovo 65 e scaglie di tartufo. Uovo 65 perché è cotta a 65 gradi. La vellutata che vedete qui è a base di patate, ok? E formaggio.
Wow, smells so good. Smells so good.
Laurie, ma questo è mortale.
Well, it's like a soup. I can't describe it, but the taste is amazing. Look. Oh, she's over there. This is our second course. Melissa, what is this called?
Cappelletti, but I don't know because wait for Marco.
Marker? Okay.
A mano dallo chef con cremoso di caciocavallo, una riduzione di cicoria e umami di pomodoro, che è questa polvere che vedete qui.
Ah, okay, bene. And this was made by the chef, handmade. Chef Antonio, this is your signature dish.
Ok, so. Caciocavallo cream. Caciocavallo, crema di caciocavallo.
Okay.
Poi tortellini ripieni di ricotta e parmigiano.
Oh.
Estratto di cicoria e umami di pomodoro.
Ma
Wow.
io ho corretto lei prima che ha detto tortellini, ho detto cappelletti.
Sono cappelletti però.
Tortellini, sono orribili.
Okay. Chef, you made the pasta, right? This is homemade pasta.
Homemade.
Homemade. Good. Wow.
One day for make.
Wow. You like it? Look, Christina likes it. She is, yeah. Good. Good? Good, good. Fernando! Buone? Buone?
Nice, ma sono già finiti.
Oh, wow. Okay, I need to eat mine. Look at my dog.
What's he doing?
He wants some.
Zitto mo, parlando dopo.
Yeah, look, because we got, look. Look what just arrived. You smell. The smell is so good.
Allora, questo qui è un filet mignon con agnello, riduzione di vitello, ciao,
Ciao.
patate e fagioli.
Wow. Okay, excuse me.
Grazie, c'è un po'. No, this is salad.
Oh, I know.
Primo likes the lamb.
Oh, yeah, of course. Very good.
We have honeydew and we have grapes.
Fruit is my favorite dessert. Take a drink of this 15. Cheers.
Buono?
It's good. It's good.